Yeah, what's happening?
Doing a quick mad
The driver said he's gonna turn the light off.
Yeah, for these girls.
Mud.
Okay. Left or right door, boss?
Left. Go left. I'm watching you, so good.
Are they getting up?
No, they're staying on it.
This is Canary Wharf.
What the hell?
Happy birthday to you.
You know the driver turned the light off. Give the clown a kiss. Whose birthday is it?
I'm 21!
The next stop is Western When leaving the train,
So how do you feel? Tell the internet. What one?
21! I feel old.
Not that old.
I know.
You lot getting off now?
I live 14! It's my
Happy birthday. Were you scared?
Can the real one?
this is
I'm a little dog.
That drives the G10 the light, he flashed the light, you know.
That guy's a nice guy.
Baby, Shout.
Here's all my money. I've come down here, all showing off all my antique cars for being the richest man in the world. So this is my UK cars. I showed you my Dubai cars. Here's all my money here. It ain't easy.
Do the hula hoop. Yeah, do it. Both of you lot do it. Go.
Yeah, but I can't hit. Look, look.
So I did.
What? Look at this one.
Can't get in there, yeah? This one here, yeah? Should I put a mask on or not? Cha-ching!
What about this?
Too big, too heavy.
What about this one?
Low.
What's this black one? So you're having fun?
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah, true. Yeah, having fun. It's a good little kind of convention. Jesus.
Hey, so Jarvis,
What's up? What's up?
what's your
up?
dream car?
What, here or in real life? I don't know.
What's your dream car? Any car?
Something big, man. I would say big.
A Range Rover?
Like a Range Rover, yeah. I never used to like them, but
Look at this girl.
we get it. Hey, cameraman.
If you keep your hands,
Goodbye.